Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta. I am working as an assistant professor at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science uh, in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design and Data Analytics. Here I am going to explain about OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Is a reference model that describes how information from a software application in one computer moves through a physical medium to the software applications in another computer. OSI consists of 7 layers and each layer performs a particular network functions. So OSI model developed by international organization for standardization in the year of 1984, and it is now considered an architectural model for intercomputer communications. OSI model divides the whole task into seven more, smaller manageable tasks. Each layer is assigned a particular task. Here we are going to see 7 layers. In seven layers we have to segregate in two levels, so lower level and then higher level. We can divide into 3 level also: lower level, middle level and higher level. In lower level we have 3 layers. It is responsibility of the network, so higher layer responsibility to the host. Here this physical layer is used to convert the bits, and then data link layer converts the frames, and network layer converts the packets, and then transport layer converts the segments, and upper layers, 3 layers are used to transfer the data. So here applications layer, the application layers is used for this layer provides the services to the users, and presentation layer, it is responsible for translations, compression, encryptions, and session layer, it is used to establish management and terminate the session. And then transport layer, it provides reliable message delivery from process to process. And network layer, it is responsible for moving the packets from source to destinations. And data link layer, it is used for error free transfer of data frames. So physical layer, it provides a physical medium through which bits are transmitted. And then here physical layer, in physical layer we can see the transaction mode. From the data link layer, the data will transmit to the zeros and ones and through transmission medium, and then zeros and ones delivered to the data link layer. The main functionality The main functionality of physical layer is to transmit the individual bits from one node to another node. And then it is lower layer of the OSI model. It establishes, maintains the, deactivates the physical corrections. Here we have functions of physical layer. So first function is line configuration, and then data transmission, topologies and signals. Second layer is data link layer. In data link layer we can see the from network layer we can send the data to the physical layer. Then from physical layer we have to send to the transport layer with the use of data link layer. This layer is responsible for error free transfer of data frames. It defines the format of the data on the network. It provides a reliable and efficient communication between two or more devices. It is mainly responsible for unique identification of each device that resides on a local network. It contains two sublayers: logical link control and then medium access control. Next one is network layer. In network layer we can see the transport. From the transport layer we can fetch the data, and then we have to send to the network layer it a kind of packets. Then we have to send to the data link layer. From the data link layer we have to send the data from the in the package of packet. Then we have to send the transport layer. It is the layer 3 that manages devices addressing, track the location of the devices on the network. It determines the best path to move data from source to destination based on the network condition, the priority of services and the other factors. So next layer is transport layer. In transport layer we can see the functions of from the session layer, and then data it is segregated from the many sessions, and then it is sent to the packets to the data. The data will be again segregate to some sessions, and then it will be sent to the session layer. The transport layer is the first ensure that messages are transmitted in the order it which they are sent, and there is no duplication of data. The main responsibility of the transport layer is to transfer the data completely. So next one is session layer. In session layer, it is the layer in the layer in OSI third in OSI model. The session layer is used to establish maintain the synchronizations, the interaction between communicating device. So it have two functions: dialogue control and synchronization. Next one is presentation layer. In presentation layer, we can see the mainly concerned with syntax and semantics of information exchange between two systems. It acts as a data translator for a network. This layer is a part of operating system that converts the data from one presentation format to another format. So next last seventh layer is application layer. This application layer used for serve as a window for user and application process to access network services. It handles issues such as network transparency, resource allocations, and etc. An application layer is an application, but it performs application layer functions. This layer provides network services to the end users. Thank you.